I only smoke, so I don't know.
You don't know? Yeah. You didn't know about the bag that was on the floor? Small white baggie?
On the evening of the 19th of April 2023, in Orlando, Florida, two officers from the Orlando Police Department, OPD, were patrolling the parking lot of a local hotel when they noticed a dark-colored Honda that had been parked for an unusually long time. The vehicle was filled with marijuana smoke, and as the officers approached, they saw a woman, a man, and a small child inside.
How you doing? Hey, we just get paid by the hotel to do laps around the parking lot.
Okay.
Make sure there's no criminal activity, make sure there's people not doing things they're not supposed to be doing, and that's it. You mind rolling down that window for me, ma'am?
What window?
The one, yeah.
Like smoking?
Yeah.
Weed?
Yeah.
The kids. Alright.
Do you have any weapons on you, man?
You're doing this with her in the backseat.
Just a couple questions for you. Do you happen to have a medical card on you?
No,
No, I don't.
Do you know if your partner does in the passenger seat? Alright, and it's very apparent the odor that's coming out of this car, okay?
no gun.
Of cannabis. Alright. Do you have a license on you? He was breaking something up as I walked up. Thank you. Are you guys staying here?
Huh?
Are you guys staying here?
Yeah.
Alright, cool. Are there any weapons in the car?
No.
Okay.
Hands up, hands up. Step out. Bro, you're smoking weed with, is this your daughter in the back?
No,
Who's that?
that's my stepson.
You're just being detained in cuffs, alright, because of the drug investigation, alright?
All right, cool.
Step back here. Alright, so I'll be very honest with you, Miss Lopez. We're just checking out with people based on the odor of cannabis coming from your vehicle. We're just going to do a quick search for a drug investigation, and then we get out of there, okay? As long as that's the only thing we have no issues. But if we find harder stuff, you also got to take into account that I'm not sure how old the child is, but you guys are smoking in the car with the child.
A couple with their young child sat inside the vehicle, using drugs without any regard for how it might affect their child's health. The car was filled with smoke, and it was clear that they had chosen to get high right next to their own child, showing a complete lack of concern for the child's safety and well-being.
Out of courtesy for the child, I'm not going to put you in handcuffs so you can hold on to the child, but you're detained and you're not free to leave. Do you understand what I'm saying?
Come here, baby.
Is that a yes?
Yeah, that's a yes. He's not going to jail, right?
No, he's just being
Okay.
detained, just like you are.
Okay.
We detain people in handcuffs. That is how we work. I'm not going to do that for you, so you can maintain
Okay, come here,
contact with
baby.
the child, okay?
Come here. Come here, papi. Yes, come inside the car.
And ma'am, you can get out, leave everything in, and go get the child, okay?
How y'all smoking in front of him?
Huh?
How y'all smoking in front of him?
In front of the baby.
Not even in the front of it, like in the same car, hotboxing the car with the baby inside.
She had the door open anyway.
So?
Okay, there you go.
The baby's window wasn't open.
Honestly,
Do you? Stop moving around.
I think a weakness going.
How much weed?
Let's switch.
You have ID?
Yeah. That's it.
Y'all staying here tonight?
Yeah, I live here. I live in the second floor. That's the keys for my car.
Do me a favor, wind your stance. Wind your stance. Wide.
Alright, come over here. I'm happy to sit on the curb, alright?
Go, mommy. Go, mommy. Mommy's calling you.
Coming around to get the child.
Is there nobody else
Come
staying with you
here.
guys?
No. Wait, come here. We're not
Hey.
going inside yet.
Hey,
Hey.
hey, listen to mommy. Now, get over here.
Come here. Wait a minute. We're not going inside.
Get here. Come here. Come here. Now you're in trouble. Come here.
Hurry up. Come here.
Can you go to mommy?
Now.
Stay with mommy. You need to listen to mommy.
Those joints. That white powdery bag residue that we put into Orlando Police Department drug bag was on the floorboard where her right foot was the entire time.
A messy car filled with clutter, and on the floor, officers noticed traces of a white powdery substance, a clear sign that something more serious than marijuana might be involved.
I just couldn't focus on him because I was focused on her moving her feet around.
You guys live in Orlando?
Yeah.
You guys just, huh? You live here?
You know, yeah.
Can we talk to you over here real quick?
Huh?
So, I want to ask you a few things before I do. I just have to read you your Miranda rights. Anything you say may be used against you in court. Do you understand?
Yes.
So as I said when we walked up, we're officers of the Orlando Police Department. We basically patrol these parking lots just to make sure no criminal activities happening, people that are not wanted are not here, guns, drugs, things of that nature. Okay. We came up to your car. As I came up to the driver door that was open, I could smell the smoke coming from there. All right. We found cannabis inside, found blunts inside, and found another thing inside that was on the floorboard of the driver's side where you were sitting. What would that be?
I only smoke, so I don't know.
You don't know? Okay. You didn't know about the bag that was on the floor? The small white baggie? The white powder in it?
No, I don't do that, so I wouldn't know about that. The person that used the car before me was my cousin, but I don't know anything about that.
Is there a reason you guys are smoking weed with the child?
I mean, I don't have no one to watch him. We were just smoking. I had the door open. I mean...
The vehicle's hotbox.
I understand.
Real talk.
I understand.
We don't have to just pretend anymore.
Yeah, I understand.
You can still see the smoke inside.
I mean, you asked me a question why smoke, and that's...
Yeah.
I know you're not supposed to, but...
You're not supposed to smoke here. Okay? Especially in a car. Even if you had a medical marijuana card, there's still rules and stipulations on how you smoke that way. You're not supposed to smoke inside of a vehicle. You're also... There's not a law against it. Hearsay, if you will. Some of it could be considered other things of a crime, but it's just more human nature not to smoke a narcotic around the store. Alright? Whatever your beliefs of cannabis are.
Am I under arrest?
I'm just talking to you.
Okay.
Like I said, you've been detained this entire time. You have your rights. It doesn't mean
He's not either. He can't be because he has to go to work, and we don't do that, so...
He can't be what?
He can't be arrested. I don't want him to be arrested.
Wanting and not being able to are two different things.
I don't want him to.
Okay, what's up, buddy? So that's your answer about the powder that was found on the floor?
Yeah, I don't know
You have no
anything
clue?
about it. I don't do it.
Whose car is it?
I said it's my mom's car.
Okay. How often do you use the car?
I don't. I use it to go to appointments. He drives because he's the one with the license.
You don't have a license? So why were you in the driver's seat?
Just sitting there.
Do you usually sit in that driver's seat?
Yeah, because it's my car, but I don't drive it, like I said.
So it's your car, but you don't drive it?
Yeah. Because my mom left it to me, but I don't drive it because I don't have a license.
Where's she?
She kept denying smoking marijuana, insisting she had only smoked one joint, but the evidence told a different story. The strong odor, the lingering smoke, and the scattered drug paraphernalia made it clear what had really happened.
Go sit back down? So as I explained already, we are officers of the Orlando Police Department. We patrol these hotels, make sure there's no illegal activities, no drugs, guns, people breaking into cars, stuff like that. That's why we're in the area tonight. Okay. I came up to the driver's door window. I can already smell the weed. Okay. It is what it is. It's even hazy in there when I walked up. That's why it kind of turned from just, us hanging out, talking, to it being a drug investigation. Okay?
I understand.
When I saw you, you were breaking something down in your fingers. What was that?
I was cleaning up. Actually cleaning. Look at it. Cleaning my hands.
Okay. Of what?
From rolling the joint.
Okay. All right. Well, honestly, it's the first one. Where's that joint?
That's the one you were smoking.
Okay. Is that the only one that was in the car?
Yeah. And then the other one you found the other guy found it in my pocket. Whatever I had
left of the weed or of the joint?
The weed.
I'll be honest with you, we found obviously the joint. There's shake everywhere, like little residue of weed. Found the grinder. And then also there was a little plastic bag that had a white powder in it.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. It seems like you know what that is? Or that you're kind of like,
Is this a white powder? What could it be?
It's what?
I mean, what could it be? I don't know.
That's why I'm
White
asking you.
stuff.
It's my first time in the car. I didn't put it there. It's not my car.
No, I didn't have that in my...
So usually when I know everything that's in my car, right? Especially something like that. So here I am asking you, what was in that bag?
In that bag? What could it be? If it's a little bag, it gotta be drugs or something.
Okay. Where did it come from?
I have no idea, man. I
no
mean,
clue?
I smoke weed. You found my grinder, I saw you through my grinder.
Yeah.
What is it, sir? I ain't got no reason to lie to you, my little man.
So that bag just magically appeared in the car?
I couldn't tell you, sir.
Because I've sat in my truck a lot, and you know, drugs don't just randomly end up in there.
I understand, but like I said, I didn't have I had my weed. You found the weed in my pocket.
How long you been with her?
About 4 years.
You ever known her to do any drugs?
Nah, not like that. I smoke weed.
You ever had any history with narcotics?
No, sir.
So if we already ran you and we know the answer, would that be the correct answer?
Yes, sir. I've never been involved with maybe a car accident or something like that.
And there's nothing missing on you? There's nothing tucked in on you?
No,
sir. Your underwear or anything of your nature? No, you can put your shirt down. That's not a question I asked everybody.
You can strip me. I mean,
we're not going to do that.
I'm 49 years old. I ain't got nothing to hide to you, bro.
I do care. Go back to the officer and have a seat over there.
I have nothing to hide.
Anything else you want to say about this?
No, sir.
The officers then spoke with the man, and he admitted to smoking marijuana inside the car, confirming what the officers had already suspected from the overwhelming smell and the visible smoke still hanging in the air.
Alright, before I search you, do you have anything on you that's gonna stick me? Gonna poke me? Anything? Any razor blades, needles, anything like that? No, I'm trying to say I have lighter. No, I don't have anything. I don't even have pockets.
Okay.
Alright, just move your feet apart. Thank you.
Also leave a victim.
Hey, buddy. Come sit back over here.
Come
on, let's go sit back over here. Just for a minute.
Go sit down, baby. It's okay. Go.
Just for a minute.
Go sit down. It's okay.
Come here, buddy. Let's go sit back over here, okay?
I drive American way.
Okay, anything you want to tell me that I might have missed? You sure? Okay.
We'll head back over here behind the front of the black car. Black car. Alright, you understand what's going on right now?
Yes, sir. I understand.
So, it's my understanding you're saying that you have no idea what that bag is.
No, I have
So
nothing
it's hers?
to do. I'm not saying
It's at her feet, so she's gonna take the ride then.
I'm not saying
It's in her possession. You know what I'm saying?
I understand what you're saying.
Unless you're saying that it's yours,
I'm not saying it's not mine.
so then it's hers.
I don't think it's hers
What-
either
what
because the
drug-
car don't belong to her.
Yeah, but it belongs to her mom. Her mom's passed away, so you guys are using it.
Yeah, she's using the car.
You know what I mean? It's not like it was buried and stuff. It was on the floor. What drugs do you do?
Weed, I smoke a lot.
What drugs does she do?
Weed. Weed too.
Do you ever lace your weed with anything else?
Oh no.
Do you understand the scope of this? When you guys were hotboxing with the kid in there,
I understand.
there's hard narcotics in the car with the kid in there. It's at the floorboard of her feet, not buried or anything. It's on the floorboard.
And I was sitting in the passenger seat last week.
Yeah. She also doesn't drive because she's dualist, so she doesn't want to drive. She's going to get in trouble that way, right? Is your license good?
Yeah, my license is good.
This is not our first rodeo, but if you're saying it's not yours, then it's not yours.
Not mine.
All right. So who is she to you?
That's my girlfriend.
That's your girlfriend?
Yeah.
Okay. And that's
For you? Come down to her.
oh, this way. No, that way. That way. Yep. What room are you guys staying in? 206. All right, have a seat. Have a seat for me.
246.
Have a seat for me. You don't do that. Or what's that?
I don't do whatever he said he found.
But what
white
you do,
powder?
but hold on. But what you do is you hotbox the car with your son in the back seat with the window up. That's what you do, right?
I have
Right?
the door
No,
open.
your door's open, not his. Right?
I do smoke weed.
With your son in the back seat, with the windows up, your door was open, but not his. You don't think he tests positive? You don't think so? Stand up. My partner wants to talk to you.
Me?
Yeah, my partner wants to talk to you.
Oh, thank you.
Look. Do you feel me? Go ahead, put your arm on your back. I need a double.
Alright, 2217.
You have my back for what?
Oh man, just walk around your vehicle over here. At this
Show
moment in
myself
time,
at 15 back
you're being
to
placed on arrest for
original.
amphetamine, okay?
But that's not mine.
Okay. Walk up to this car up here.
But what about my son?
We're gonna work everything out in
No,
a few minutes, okay?
I can't leave my son. He has nobody.
Walk this way.
Please.
And don't do this right now.
Yeah.
My son has nobody. Please. Please. No, he has nobody though. But why am I getting under arrest? It's
second, just face the car for me, man. The cuffs need to be double locked, okay? So they don't tighten on you.
Tears filled the mother's eyes as she was handcuffed and led to the patrol car, it seemed. She had finally realized the seriousness of what she'd done.
Oh, man. As you can see,
That was nobody. Please, that wasn't mine.
this speech
I don't
give
do
everybody.
that.
There's no narcotics inside of this car. If when you get to the jail, you're pulled out, something is there. It
That
obviously
wasn't
came up.
mine.
First, second, is there anything on you that you might have tucked in on your waistband, anywhere underneath your clothing? If you introduce it to the jail and they decide to be a victim, you can be charged with that as well. With that warning, is there anything else on you? Is that a yes or no?
No, there's nothing on
All right,
me.
go ahead and have a seat for me, ma'am. I'm just gonna slide across and go put the seatbelt on you, okay? What's not?
I know.
Can you just slide over a little bit to your left? You're on the buckle. I'm just trying to get it so I can put your seatbelt on, okay, ma'am?
I'm getting put under arrest. It's not even mine. You have no proof it's mine. How am I putting under arrest for it? Because it was in my seat? Mine, how am I putting under arrest for it? Because it was in my seat? You guys good? Alright.
Can you please push my glasses off?
Yeah, well, just a second. Let me explain something to you. When you go in here, I don't know if you've ever done this before or not. There's a body scan in there. If there's anything that we missed.
There's nothing in the
Okay,
body.
well, I'm just letting you know. Because you don't want another charge on whatever they're doing. So, okay. Nothing at all that we missed. Okay. Come on now.
She was taken to the Orange County Jail and charged with possession of methamphetamine and child neglect. It was a harsh lesson that one careless decision can destroy trust, freedom, and even endanger the life of a child.